Wow.
Wala siya nung high school.
This is my place.
Nag-college. Tapos, thanks God. Bumalik na.
It's a Friday morning. Di ata karon sa dagat. We are here in the sea water, and we're looking for a shell. But I can't get anything. Wala akong makuha nga shell, oy. Tabang mga saang. Itsura ko parang I'm with my sister. She's catching many kinds of shells here. There's a
Kaya sa mga lamaw-lamaw.
Quattro Island. We get something here. Oh. Merong bird dun, no? Ang sarap mamuhay sa probinsya. Very silent. No need in hurry-hurry. Si Mikoy, pauwi na to siya, no? Ay, pato na sa school. Oh. Now it's getting higher. High tide. Oh. Ang dagat. Ganda, nagpausok sila, oh. Tahimik ng buhay ng light. Okay. May nakuha kang sang lumulumo? Daghan? Wa din kay tuhugan.